Hi, in this video, we'll explore about another functionality from Pro3D HSR. Let's begin by launching Pro3D HSR. If you go to link page, in the ramping tab, we have parameter called stock clearance. What is the functionality of a stock clearance? The stock clearance is defines a minimum distance away from the stock as the start position for a horizontal tool approach from the air if possible. Additional lead in segment will be created, and this value is entered as the percentage of the step over, as you can see uh, in the parameter itself. Let's create a toolpath and see how this works. I will enable the stock and I will define my tool. My tool is the 12R1. I don't need a boundaries. Okay. Okay, so this is fine. I'll put 1 mm step down and I will hit the calculate button. So if you can see the tool path, the tool is approaching from the outside. Okay. Now if I simulate this and show you the initial tool position, the tool, let me now click here. So now if you see the clearance between the stock and the tool is the 10% of the step over. Say 10% of the step over. It's almost 0.9 millimeters. Okay. If you for some reason if you need a more clearance for a tool to start from the outside, you can increase it. I'll exit from the simulation and I will recalculate. See the start position. Okay, the clearance between the tool and the stock is now increased by the 50% of the step over. Or if I can click over here, so you see the distance between the tool and the work stock is 50% of the step over. Similarly, we can also, it is also helpful to use it for the rest roughing operation. I will copy paste this operation and I will use a smaller tool. I will use 6 cross 0.5, and since this is rest roughing, I want solid cam to detect and create a passes more than 0.5 material. If solid cam finds less than 0.5 material, it will not create a toolpath. Why that is a 0.5? The 0.5 because my global offset was for a previous operation was set to 0.5. Okay, now the toolpath is calculated. So now it is doing it by lanes. I will change it to, I'll go to sorting and machine by regions. Now, if you look at this toolpath, I want to show you the simulation. And if I keep the tool here, you can see the tool is away from the stock by 50% of the step over. So it means the tool is approximately 4.5 millimeters away from the stands away from the stock. So this way you can uh, uh, tool can safely approach the stock to remove the material. And this is very helpful. Uh, uh, like we see in the rest roughing, you can keep the stock clearance, how much stock clearance you want, you can keep it to safely approach the tool to the stock. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.